Number 5.
Titan is a smart water care monitor. It can detect the water chemistry of a swimming pool or hot tub within 30 seconds. With lab-grade sensors, Titan monitors temperature, pH, conductivity, and ORP 24/7. Titan is powered by 3 pieces AA batteries. You can keep it in the pool for up to 2 years. If the batteries need to be replaced, the light will flash and you'll receive a notification. Titan will send you a recommendation when it's time to add chemicals to keep your water into perfect balance. Keeping water balance at all times, you'll save hundreds of dollars in maintenance cost every year. With Titan, you'll never worry about over-chemicalized water, keeping water balance, caring for your eyes and skin. Titan Smart Water Care Monitor, special design for your pool or hot tub.
Number 4.
Hablar.
Number 3. Number 2.
The story you are about to hear is true. Only the names have been changed. Only the names have been changed. Here. Only the names have been changed.
Number 1.
Now to the district where a man is dead this noon after getting trapped under a vehicle. Our John Gonzalez has the story.
A relative of the man tells us that he was a mechanic, 51-year-old man who loved to tinker with cars, loved to work on his vehicles, and she said, quote, he died doing what he loved, working on his car. Take a look. This is where this happened, right in the man's driveway here on Kansas Avenue. You see the Lincoln there with the tire missing. That's where this man was pinned. Police saying that the jack that he was using to lift the vehicle failed on him, and he was pinned underneath the car. Now, police also telling us here at the scene that he was last seen alive here at the home at 11 o'clock last night. He was then discovered at around 5 o'clock this morning. It's unclear exactly when the car fell on.
Jacking failures generally happen when people don't have the time or energy to use an axle stand, and in that situation their safety is completely dependent on a 10-cent ceiling ring. So we set out to find a solution that would eliminate the need for an axle stand. We realized that if we wanted to create something that people would actually use, it would have to be simple and it would have to be affordable. Spinlock completely eliminates the need for an axle stand. It's easy to use and it's affordable. Now we want to bring it to market, so we're funding the final stage of development through customer pre-orders and digital gift cards.